Mathematics teaching, what are the drivers of this? One of the things that we did for the first time is we asked students how mathematics is taught. And we found that mathematics is taught very, very differently in different countries. When you think about, for example, conceptual understanding, how much focus in mathematics is on conceptual understanding? And what I mean by this is that teachers do not only teach students procedures, algorithms, formulas, and so on, but they try to teach them the underlying concepts, to understand what is change, what is a relationship, what are probabilities. And you can see Italy is doing so, but many of the highest performing countries are putting a high premium on conceptual understanding. They really focus very hard not only to teach something, but they focus on this kind of metacognitive skills, trying to teach students to understand what are the underlying fundamentals behind the mathematical world. There's another way how you can teach, and that's focusing on application, helping students to understand, you're not only learning something, but you have to use that knowledge. And that's where you can see Italy coming pretty much at the end of the scale. It's not very common in Italian classrooms to help students make use of what they have learned. Very, very important. And when you look at many of the highest performing countries, not all, they put a high premium on helping students to use what they have learned. Now, there is sort of a balance to strike. You can ask yourself, what's the right way of mathematics teaching? And as always in life, it's not one or the other, but it's about a good combination. You can look at this in application. If you never apply mathematical knowledge in the classroom, you do very poorly as an education system. If you always do it, you're not doing very well either. No? But doing it moderately, frequently, and that's not the case in Italy, is conducive to improved learning outcomes. Mathematics teaching.